Good evening. A New Mexico mother and daughter convicted of leaving two children in a hot car leading to one of their deaths had their convictions overturned today. The New Mexico Supreme Court ordered them to be retried. The case centered on jury instructions and the use of just two words.
This, as the evidence presented at trial demonstrated, was a day filled with reckless disregard for the safety of the children.
But was it? That's the question Mary and Sandy Taylor's lawyers had after their clients were sentenced to 36 years behind bars more than 5 years ago.
We don't believe there was any crime committed. We believe it was an absolute accident.
A jury found them guilty of child abuse with reckless disregard resulting in death after they admittedly left two toddlers in a car outside of their Portales daycare for more than 2 hours back in 2017. It led to the death of Malia Jones and left Aubriana Loya with permanent brain damage.
Every second of the day, I wish I could wake up from this nightmare. Regardless of what some people may think, we loved Malia and Aubrey. I know I will carry this with me every day for the rest of my life.
They filed an appeal to have their convictions overturned, saying the jury was not properly instructed on what constitutes reckless child abuse.
Their failure to count was a negligent act. This court has rejected negligence as a standard for child abuse.
An appeals court upheld their convictions, but the Taylors' lawyers filed another appeal in 2022, this time with the New Mexico Supreme Court.
The inference is that they both knew and neither one did.
I understand, and that is a negligent act. It's
No,
not a purposeful
it's a
act.
conscious disregard under the circumstances of the case where you're on a hot July day in Portales where you've got 90, 100-degree temperatures. Leaving children in the car is a very high-risk situation.
Today, the Supreme Court reversed their convictions, granting a new trial for the mother and daughter. In a 3-2 ruling, they determined the court's instructions confused the jury. Those instructions used the word or instead of and. It allowed the jury to find the Taylors guilty based on just one of their CYFD violations in this case, which the court says does not prove they placed the victims in any, quote, direct line of danger. Both Sandy and Mary Taylor were released while they appealed their convictions. Quentin Ray with the 9th District Attorney's Office says they do plan to retry the Taylors.